So how does HDMI CEC works? Here we see an example of a TV setup. There are controllers on the left, here and here, and we have typical TV setup such as a TV, an HDMI cable and a games console. So to increase the volume on the TV, you'd use the TV remote like so, and to load a game using on the game console, you would use the controller like so. This is HDMI CEC with off. The two controllers are required and they are completely separate of each other. But with HDMI CEC on, we'll see a few differences. To increase the volume, much the same, use the TV remote. Instead of using a controller to load the game, I'm going to use the TV remote. The HDMI cable will carry the instructions to the games console, which will load its game like so. The TV remote can therefore control the devices connected to the TV, and it does this by passing through the instructions through the HDMI cable. So why doesn't it work on all TVs? For HDMI CEC we need some requirements. The TV needs to support HDMI CEC, and for the TV remote to have the extra buttons required, such as like play, pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever, and to be able to send the instructions down the cable. The HDMI cable also needs to support HDMI CEC, which 90% of the time it does. Only the most cheap HDMI cables can do that. Miss this, but most work anyway. The device needs to support HDMI CEC. Most games, consoles and streaming sticks do work, but some set-top boxes such as Sky, Virgin Media, TiVo I think it is, they don't work. In other words, the chain cannot be broken from the TV to the cable to the device. If all three work, then you'll get HDMI CEC. If one of them doesn't work, it breaks the chain, and it will no longer work. So I hope you found that video useful. Like this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't. Leave a comment if you have one, and subscribe for more videos, tutorials, whatever.